Hey friends, welcome to the channel. Here you will get to know most common phrasal verbs. Wake up. I wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. Take off. The plane will take off in 30 minutes. Turn on. Please turn on the lights. It's getting dark. Go out. Let's go out for dinner tonight. Get up. I need to get up early tomorrow for an important meeting. Come back. I'll come back home around 6 p.m. Look for. I'm looking for my keys. I can't find them anywhere. Give up. Don't give up on your dreams. Keep working hard. Put on. I need to put on my jacket before going outside. Take care of. Can you take care of my dog while I am away? If you like this video and if you think videos are informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.